What if I told you AI is just a really fast assistant with no common sense? Let me explain. You keep hearing about AI. Everyone's talking about ChatGPT, robots, self-driving cars, but no one seems to explain what AI actually is, in simple terms. So here's the short answer. AI is when a computer can do things that normally require human thinking. But it doesn't think like us. It doesn't understand. It just predicts. Think of AI like a really smart autocomplete. You know how your phone tries to guess the next word when you're texting? That's AI on a tiny scale. Now imagine an autocomplete trained on the entire internet. It's not magic. It's just math, plus a lot of data, plus lightning speed. AI learns by seeing patterns. Millions of them. Show it 10,000 photos of cats, and it learns to guess what a cat usually looks like. Feed it thousands of questions and answers, and it learns to guess the best reply. It doesn't know what a cat is. It doesn't care about your question. It's just really good at guessing what comes next, based on training. So why does AI feel so smart? Because it's fast. It's trained on more data than any human could ever read, and it gets better at mimicking us every day. But it still needs us to ask the right questions, give feedback, and decide when to trust it. So next time someone says AI is taking over, you'll know it's not a mind. It's a tool, a super-powered assistant with no idea what it's doing. Subscribe if that made things click. And in the next video, we'll show you how ChatGPT actually works. Let's make AI make sense together.